To me, I have Corine. Corine, welcome.
Thank you.
Corine is one of our customer service specialists from the Benelux, and she will support me in getting some clear answers to some relevant end-user questions. And one of the questions that pops up regularly during shows or events is, hey, my toilet seems to be leaking. What might be the cause and how should I solve it?
Yeah, well, you want to fix that as soon as possible, of course. We advise you to first check your holding tank and, to be more specific, the lip seal. It's a very important part in your holding tank. And I will show you behind the sliding cover. There it already is. If the lip seal is worn out or maybe affected, then it might cause a leakage. What you can do yourself to find out if it's the cause, fill your holding tank up with water, put it on aside, and then just notice if the water is coming from that area. If it does, you have found your cause, and then it's time to replace your lip seal. And I will show you how. Normally, there are 8 screws over here, but I've already done some removing of the screws, so I will do the last part. So I take out this part, it's called the sliding cover. And then here, your lip seal is already there. And we are going to normally replace it. You've bought a new one. In every shop you can find it, a Thetford retail shop. It's the lip seal. And what is important is that it will be put back, or you will replace it by this side up of the lip seal. Not like this, but it will feel natural how to do it. And then the magic trick is also a good tip to, once or twice a year, you spray in your lip seal. This will keep it smooth and flexible and prevent leakage in the future. And this is the one we use. And then just put everything back together. And then, of course, you screw your 8 screws back on and you put back your sliding cover. And then you're done and you're good to go.